the amount of history, the amount of knowledge that this country had was phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, and what was even more phenomenal was these guys had this knowledge 5, 7, 10,000 years ago. Yes, when Europe was still, using bow and arrow to kill deer, our people were distilling zinc. Yes. Now, how did they have this knowledge? Yes. No, there is only one reason. All our scientists were saints. All of them did pranayam, all of them did yoga, all of them meditated. Yes. So what happened was, because when you have trained your mind like this, when you have meditated, when you know how to do this, and you have done it for appreciable number of years, then you are no longer limited by physical instruments. If you want to go into outer space, you close your eyes, boom, you can go. If you want to go into the depth of the atom, you close your eyes, you can get there. And then you are seeing it, right? So it has to be accurate. That is how Arundhati Vasishtha turns out to be a twin star system which rotates around each other. Yeah? Are you getting what I'm saying? Yes. Yes? That is how you can figure out how to make rust-proof iron, which even till today we have not figured out. Yeah? So the basis of science is spirituality. Yeah? And this wealth that our country has, I will not say had, this wealth that our country has was systematically destroyed by the British when they came here. Yeah? They rewrote our history. So that when they left us with a legacy of being ashamed of our own culture and our own tradition. Yes, in Delhi we know this very cute old couple. Uncle is 81 years old, auntie is 71 years old, and they will be celebrating their 50th wedding anniversary like next year. His father was the first Chief Justice of India, Bhandari, Mr. Bhandari. Yeah, so very well connected and all. So he went to all these British schools, and over there they would say, yoga is for freaks. You should do PT. But unfortunately, do you see that even today in schools you do PT, you don't do yoga? Yeah. So we have got independence, it's 60 years, but we are still thinking in those terms only. That is what the British wanted. Yeah. To break this country, they had to break the education system and break the traditions. Now, if we want to build this country again, then maybe it is time to come back to learning, studying yoga, meditation. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Right?